What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video, and in today's video we're going to be talking about how to provide outstanding customer service. Customer service is so important. It makes your life easier, it makes your customers happier, and it makes your business stand out. So here are 3 tips to help you provide outstanding customer service. Tip number 1, think about convenience. When providing customer service, you should be thinking about your clients and how you can make their life easier. What can you do to make it more convenient for them to interact with your business and your services? An example of this is allowing your clients to pay you through multiple different methods. Maybe they can pay online, maybe they can Venmo you, maybe they can send you a check. That's convenience. You're giving them more options. Maybe if they need to reschedule, you have some type of easy rescheduling policy that you provide for all of your clients that makes it easier for them to communicate with you and say, can we reschedule this? And then you simply do that for them easily, and then they don't have to worry about anything. Because at the end of the day, clients are paying you to make their life easier. And through cleaning services, they're saving time, they're getting their weekends back, they're spending more time with their family or their kids. All those things are super important, and you're doing that for them, making their life easier by providing that service. So what else can you do in your business to make it even more convenient for them, to save them even more time, to help them spend even more time with their kids and family? That's amazing customer service right there. You're providing phenomenal ways for them to interact with your business, maybe pay their bills, rescheduling their services, or even if it's a new client or someone that's calling in and they just want more information. What can you do to make it easier for them to book your services in the first place? Do you have online booking on your website? That's really important. Do you have a bunch of great information or like a frequently asked questions section on your website that makes it easier for people to get quick answers for a lot of the common questions that most people have? You're always thinking about what can you do to make that person's life easier. So that's great customer service. And one of the ways that I provide my clients with a great customer service and customer experience is with Jobber. Before Jobber, our clients would pay by cash or pay by check. But once I implemented Jobber into our business and we allowed our clients to start paying online, we got tons of feedback from our clients saying that they loved the fact that they can pay online because that makes their lives so much easier. And that goes back to the convenience that I was just talking about. Check them out. Link is in the description. They have a sale going on right now, so go take advantage of that. And I promise you, you guys won't regret it. It's the best thing that you can do for your business. Tip number 2, be polite, respectful, and communicate clearly. People don't like doing business with someone that is rude, that doesn't respect them, that isn't polite to them. And not only do they not do business with you, they won't tell other people about your business and even if they do, they'll probably say bad things about it, which is not what you want. So every time you're speaking with your clients or lead or someone that's a potential customer, just be polite with them, be respectful of their time, be respectful of who they are, and communicate clearly. Make sure that they understand everything that you're saying to them. And when things go wrong or there's issues in the business or something wasn't done the way that it should have been, be cool. Because great customer service is all about you just keeping your cool and trying to find the best solution for that customer. Even if a client makes you mad or they say something, even if they're rude with you, you're not going to be rude with them. Even if they are lashing out on you, you speak calmly to them. You'll never lash out to a customer, because then that makes you look unprofessional. That makes you look bad. So you always have to be the bigger person in these situations. It doesn't mean that the customer is always right, because we know very well that there's many times in this industry that the customer is indeed very, very wrong. But you're going to communicate that to the customer in a very polite and respectful manner, instead of you coming out and trying to be rude or impolite with them, which is not going to look good for you. And tip number 3, make your clients smile. On top of providing a great service, you going above and beyond and trying to make your clients smile and being, friendly with them and being upbeat with them does actually a lot more to their relationship with your business than you expect. If a client calls you and you're on the phone with them, be friendly with them. Make them smile, crack a couple jokes, maybe you laugh on the phone. It makes it easier for them to communicate with you, and clients love that. So that's one way that you can make them smile. Another way is you going above and beyond and maybe giving them a gift on holidays, or sending them some type of holiday postcard, or if you know their birthdays, saying happy birthday. This is great customer service because you're showing your customers that you care and that you appreciate their business and that you want to make them happy. And if they're happy and they're smiling, then they'll really, really like your business and they'll really like your service, and they'll be with you for a long time. I like to that whenever I answer the phone in my business or I get an email for one of my clients, even if they come, they answer the phone or they call me with kind of, a low energy, kind of very dry introduction, I try to not match that energy, and I try to come back at them laughing, smiling, answering the phone like I'm happy to be answering the phone from them. Whenever I pick up the phone and say, hey, thanks for calling Bennett Home Services. My name is Matt. What can I help you with? That just changes the whole conversation. It changes the energy on that phone call. It changes the energy in an email. It changes the energy in a text message. So make your clients smile. That's great customer service. They really appreciate that, because even if they're having a bad day and they need to call you or something and they need to deal with your business, you can be that little thing that kind of, shifts their day to a more positive side than the negative. So if you do these 3 things, you can be providing outstanding customer service to your clients in no time. Just to recap, tip number 1, always be looking for ways to make the lives of your customers more convenient, whether it's through a system, whether it's through payments, whether it's through even your employees. Find ways to make their lives more convenient. Number 2, always be polite, always be respectful, and always clearly communicate with your clients, because then you're making their life much easier by doing that as well. And number 3, make your clients smile. Give off great energy when you're on the phone, when you're communicating through emails or through text messages. Find ways that you can show them you appreciate them by giving gifts, or even sending a text message if you know that they're going through something in their life, just to check in on them and make sure that they're doing all right. It's the little details that matter, and it's the little details that clients will always remember and will hold with them while they're doing business with your company. Hope that helps. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.